Well guys, welcome back to the channel. I am getting a late start on the car. I decided to go a different route, and unfortunately, since I broke the transmission, I haven't had a chance to work on the car. I've been busy with work and stuff, but little update on the car. I'm gonna put the car completely NA, no turbocharge. The car still runs. Transmission is, you know, I'm about to pull it out right now, so I'll take you along the ride, but I will show you in the process. The car is still same way. So let's pull the transmission out. I'll pull a few clips so y'all can see what happened with the transmission, keep you up to date. So let's go. Started disassembling the C60 from the Corolla. Started finding some debris already. So moment of truth, carnage, input shaft. That's the reason why. Reverse mechanism. Oh boy. Yeah. Phantom grip steel, perfect. So basically I need an input shaft, ring gear. Oh. Everything else looked okay. I don't see any other damages. So input shaft, ring gear, pretty bad. But phantom grip, like I said, is beautifully holding. So right. Oh, teeth. That's because of the magnet. It's right here. Sorry, that's a little blurry. That's the magnet. Alright, that will be it. Bueno mi gente, desmonté la transmisión del Corolla, el input shaft. El input shaft se fue a pique. Todo lo demás se ve bien. So, aquí está todo el material del input shaft y el ring gear, o la Catalina como dice todo el mundo, pero sí, en inglés se llama ring gear. Phantom grip está trabajando de show. No hay nada en el Phantom grip trabajando nítido.